Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create internal hyperlink in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I create hyperlink in this document. Place your mouse cursor anywhere, then right click here and you can see here are insert link. Now you can see here a later copy of work, project, personal, etc. Now I choose resume. Now click this resume and go to this link. Now you can see I create hyperlink in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.